な気象 TV の時間だよ。はい、始まりました。今回アメリカ人の友達のステファニーちゃんと原宿の竹下通りに来ました。今回はね、スイーツとかいろいろ一緒に食べ歩きしたいと思います。では行ってみましょう。はい、レインボーチーズハットグっていうのを見つけました。今からこれ食べに行きたいと思います。はい、というわけでね、店内に来ました。で丁寧なことに音楽までストップしてくれました。ありがとうございます。はい、というわけで、じゃあちょっと早速こちら購入したんで、チーズハットグって韓国の伸びるチーズが伸びるやつで、中身がレインボーになってるらしくて、じゃあこれちょっとじゃあいただきたいと思います。
Really?
Yeah.
You first?
Sure.
Okay. Oh,
That's how it.
seems difficult. Okay. いただきます。
モッパン。You know モッパン? Food baby.
Just bread.
Okay, not yet. Oh, rainbow. Damn, it's weird.
So far, green.
Blue?
Blue? Green?
Yeah, blue, red, green. That's funny actually.
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
It doesn't taste like cheese.
Is it cheese?
I'm not sure. Should I keep going?
Yeah, sure.
It's still green.
It's so good.
Oh. Yeah, it's what to say. It's more simple than I expected.
Okay.
I really thought like really oily, really cheesy,
Yeah.
really salty. Actually, the taste is quite
Just
simple. I don't know, like when you eat like karepan, like the outside of the usual bread.
Similar.
Yeah, very similar, but of course just like cheese. But the cheese is really simple taste and like not salty at all. I think it's easy to eat, but
I see.
just a little messy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Oily, yeah. That's it. It's okay.
You're good at food reviewing. Actually.
Yeah, I'm an expert food eater.
Have you ever done this before?
Eating food?
No. Like reporting.
No, never. In my mind, like as I'm eating food to myself, I'm like, oh,
I see.
just joke. Yeah, it's interesting, but so far I don't see rainbow. I don't know. Can you see?
No,
Just green. Be careful. It's really oily.
じゃあいただきます。
Is it good color? Gray.
Yeah, pink, gray. 美味しいですね。はい。レインボーです。中身。
How do you like flavor?
Yeah, it's cheese.
Yeah.
Dot on there instead of sausage. Yeah.
That's okay. It's okay. What's your rating
Rating?
out of 10?
Oh, what? Funny.
What?
Like a color.
Oh yeah. Oh. Maybe they
same.
didn't see.
rainbow. Yeah. 8 or around 8, 10. Yeah.
I
You?
give it a 7. It's good, but it's maybe something I'm like, oh, I want to eat that cheese stick thing.
Okay.
Maybe not my style. But it's fun, right?
Can I see the candy? Maybe. Wait, what is it? Ninja toilet.
Oh, I've seen this.
You seen this film?
I mean, just passing by.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Is
Oh,
it
it's closed. Yeah, there's really mini ginger over there.
これ忍者トイレ。Oh, kindergarten. Wow.
I don't remember.
Wow, that's so cool. Wanna? あ、いいね。あ、that's cool. Alright. Wanna feel studying? Alright.
Oh,
That's it.
okay. I didn't realize it was filming.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Yeah. Always.
It's really sticky.
Oh, showing sun? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Last bite.
Okay.
はい。ぶどうといちごが交互になってます。
いただきます。Oh. It's really hard.
It's not
Oh,
so-
okay. Oh, it's good, but what to say? It's really sticky. Like the candy part
Yeah.
is like stuck to your teeth, like really sticky. It hurts. It's good though.
It is.
It's really good, but really
Oh,
sweet.
big, actually.
Hmm?
Big? I don't know. Oh yeah, just general size.
Mm.
I like
It's
that
so tasty though.
background. I like it. I like Japanese.
Right, it's really pretty
Tasty.
here and calm. It's really delicious, but the candy
Mm.
really sticks to your teeth, and it's kind
Oh.
of painful.
Right.
I think you'll understand if you eat it.
Okay. What? What? What's going on?
Here, eat
Okay.
the budol part.
Alright.
I'm cameraman now.
Thank you. いただきます。あ、硬っ。
See?
So
See?
hard.
See?
Yeah, yeah. How can I?
Do you understand? Mm.
Yeah. Very juicy? Yeah. ジューシーでなんか汁、ぶどうの汁が出てくるみたいな。ネバネバ、歯に、ネバネバが歯にくっつくって感じですね。
That's a good. Yeah. Now that's perfect.
Ah,
Better than
well,
my
okay,
my
man.
explanation.
How can I brush my teeth?
Right? Exactly. It's like really stuck to my mouth.
Which do you like better, strawberry or grape?
Strawberry.
Alright, so your turn.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You have camera? It's okay. Okay. Alright, I'll try. It's really hard the first time. Sorry, my mouth was on that one, so I'll eat that one too.
Good one.
It's really juicy. I like this a lot, but I think I'd prefer it without the honey coating.
Oh, okay.
Or if it's softer, then it's perfect. But it's so hard that my teeth are like just covered in sticky
Yeah.
honey. It's kind of uncomfortable feeling.
Yeah.
Okay, let me eat that
Okay,
udon
sure.
because you don't want to eat that one.
I mean, I don't mind.
That one's good too.
Good one.
There's some strawberry for you.
No? Okay. Thank you. So great. いただきます。
Hiding.
Oh my god.
Oh no,
You.
you have to go for both. It's a little messy to eat. Good thing I brought. I feel like it's kind of dangerous for children to eat this.
Yeah.
They're gonna choke.
Old
Old people,
people.
right? Like when old people eat like mochi or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of similar.
Every 正月 Every 正月
Some
all
old
the people
person
die.
dies. What score you give it?
I mean, taste wise, I mean, 8, but uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So that's minus point.
It looks really good. Presentation is high score, like 10. Taste is like a 9. Stickiness level afterwards is terrible. Like my mouth is covered in stick.
Same. はい、というわけで原宿の竹下通りで、チーズハットグのレインボーのやつといちごぶどう飴食べてきました。美味しかったですね。はい、How was those food?
Yeah, they were pretty good. Sticky but good.
はい、というわけで、今回も見てくださってありがとうございました。Thank you for watching. So 次の動画でお会いしましょう。じゃあね。See you later. はい、今回ご視聴ありがとうございました。YouTube のチャンネル登録と、僕のニューヨークでの生活を載せている SNS、フォローぜひお願いします。それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。バイ。